Hello, Sudoku friends. Welcome to today. Yes, today on Tuesday. It's today, Tuesday, November the 1st, 2022. First day in November. Yes, 2 months to go. Yes, almost end of the year. Yeah, of 2022. We have here one regular puzzle, and it's a medium Sudoku. In this puzzle, we have also an additional with extra puzzles. Let me show you. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, the 2 stars, the 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudoku. We have here also 2 tectonics, one with 4 stars, one with a 1 star, and the final puzzle is a binary puzzle. And these puzzles I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. Half of them I will solve, but first I will solve this medium Sudoku. Well, what's the news of today? Well, I heard that yeah, maybe there will be a war again, but not in Ukraine, but between North Korea and South Korea. They are firing missiles to each other. So and US is also there in the neighborhood, preparing for maybe a war. I don't know, but there's a lot of happening in this world. Anyway, let's get started with this Sudoku. This Sudoku will be number 5413. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 26 printed digits. If you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudokus, in the additional, this will be a 2 stars. For 2 stars puzzle, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. So is this really a 2 stars? I do not know. We will see. So let's get started. Let me see. Which number can I pick? How about yeah. Thinking. 1, 4, and 5. Well, we have a 6 in this row, 6 in the row below. So last row, the only place left for the 6 should be there. 7 in this column, 7 in the last column. So the column between, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see a 7 in this row. No 7 there, 7 should be there. 5, okay. Then 3 in this column, last column, 3 in that column. So the column between, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see here 3 in this row, so no 3 there. So the only place left for the 3 should be there. Alright. Then 6 in the last column, 6 in the column next. So that column, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. You see here 6 in the middle row, so no 6 there. 6 should be there. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 missing numbers in the middle column. 1 of the missing numbers is 6. We have a 6 in this big square, so no 6 in these 2 boxes. So the 6 could be here, could be there in the middle column, here or there. We see another 6 in the middle row, so no 6 there. The only place left for the 6 should be there. Alright, 7 in this row, 7 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place left for the 7 should be there. Then we have a 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column, so the column next, only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see a 7 in the third row, no 7 there, 7 should be there, 7 in the third row, 7 in the second row, so in the first row, only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see a 7 in the third column, no 7 there, 7 should be there. Then we have a 7 in this column, first column, 7 in the third column. So the column between the second column, only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see a 7 in this row, so no 7 there, 7 should be there. And all the 7s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 7. Okay. Then 3 missing numbers in the middle column. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and the 8 is missing. 2, 3, 8. 2, 3, 8, 2, 3, 8, 2, 3, 8. And look, we have 3 and 8 in the last row. So no 3 and 8 in this box. The 3 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. We have a 3 in this row. No 3 there. 3 should be here and 8 goes there. So 1 digit left in the middle column for number 2. Alright. 3 missing numbers in this row. One of the 3 missing numbers. Those missing numbers in the last row are the numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing, and the 5 is missing. 1, 4, 5. 1, 4, 5, 1, 4, 5, 1, 4, 5. And look, we have a 1 in this big square. So no 1 in this box, but we have a 4 also in this box. 4 in this column, so no 4 in that box. So then 1 and the 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 4, 1 and 4. We have a 1 in this big square, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 4 goes there. So 1 digit left in the last row for number 5. Alright, 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column, so the column next up, only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in this row, no 1 there, 1 should be there. Then 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We have 8 in the last column, so no 8 in this box. We have 8 in the middle row, so no 8 in that box. So the 8 in this big square could be here, could be there. 8 in this column, last column, 8 in one of those 2 boxes in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in the first row, so no 8 there. 8 should be there. Alright. Then let me see the 4 in the first column, the 4 in the third column, so the column between the second column, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 4. Well, the 5 in the first row, the 5 in the third row, so the row between the second row, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see a 5 in the first column, no 5 there, 5 should be there. Well. And then 4, 9 and 2 3 missing numbers in the wait, let me do this first. The 2 in the first row, the 2 in the third row, so the row between the second row, the only place left for 2 should be there. Now we have 2 missing numbers in the second row. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 4 and a 9, 4 and a 9, 4 and a 9. We have a 9 in this big square, so no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 4 goes there. So we have a 9 in the last column, 9 in the column next on that column. The only place left for the 9 should be there. We have a 9 in the third row, the 9 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place left for the 9 should be there. Then 9. Yeah. Two missing numbers in the middle row. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 2 and the 5, 2 and the 5. We have a 2 in this column. No 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Come on. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 1 and a 6, 1 and a 6. We have a 6 in the third column, so no 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 1 goes there. How about these two missing numbers in this big square? Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 3 and a 9, 3 and a 9. Let me mark those 2 boxes. So we have a 3 in one of those 2 boxes in this column, the 3 in the middle column. So in the column next, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here. Or there, we see a 3 in the first row. No 3 there, 3 should be there. 2 missing numbers now in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. The 7 and 8 is missing. 6 and 8, 6 and 8, 6 and 8. We have a 6 in this column. No 6 there. 6 should be here, and 8 goes there. Then 1 number left in this column. 4 numbers for the number, the 1, the 2, the 3. This is a 3 here. I believe the 4 is missing. Yeah. So we have a 4 in this row, 4 in the last row. So in the row B3, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 2 numbers are left in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, and the 4 is missing. 1 and the 4, 1 and the 4. We have a 4 in this column. No 4 there, 4 should be here. And the 1 goes there. The 1 in this column, the 1 in the column next to the last column. Only place left for the 1 should be there. The 1 in this third column, the 1 in the second column. So the first column, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in this row. No 1 there, 1 should be there. And all the 1s are used. I can see. This is number 2, number 1. We have a 4 in this row, the 4 in the middle row, so the row above. The only 2 places left for the 4 should be here. Or there, we see a 4 in the last column. No 4 there, 4 should be there. And I've eliminated the 8, so the 8 goes there. Let me count the 4s, and all the 4s are used. I can see. This is number 3, number 4. Alright. Then. How about? Oh, 1 number left in this big square. For number, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see a 5 in the third column. No 5 there, 5 should be there. 2 numbers are left in this row. 4 numbers, 3 and 9. 3 and 9, 3 and 9. We have a 9 in this third column. No 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 3 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 3. Alright. The 3 in the third column, the 3 in the second column. So the first column, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see here 3 in this row. No 3 there. 3 should be there. And now I can count, and all the 3s are used. I can see. This is number 4, number 3. Alright. Then. How about yeah. Let me see. Two numbers left in the first column. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing, and the 9 is missing. 8 and a 9, 8 and a 9. We have a 9 in this row. No 9 there. 9 should be here, and 8 goes there. So 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. We have 8 in the second column. No 8 there. 8 should be here. The 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 2 and a 9, 2 and a 9. We have a 2 in the second column. So no 2 there. 2 should be here. And a 9 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5. We have a 2 in this column. No 2 there. 2 should be here. The 5 goes there. Fine. No 2 numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. We have a 5 in this row. No 5 there. 5 should be here. And 8 goes there. Finish in 16 minutes. Told you I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve this 2 stars Sudoku. And we solve it again. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And we'll see you later with the other puzzles in additional. Until then, bye-bye for now.